Hey everyone, this is Lenovo L480 laptop and this laptop came in repair. This laptop problem is no backlight on screen. So let me show you. Let's turn on this laptop and look at the screen. I don't know you can see or not, but I can see Windows logo here, but no backlight on the screen. So now I'm going to fix this problem. So let's try to fix it. Okay, so you already assembled this laptop and we take out this motherboard. This is a motherboard part number, and now first of all I will clean this LCD connector. And we already open this LCD. Connect and plug in. Hit the power button and it's turning on. But condition still same, no backlight. So before check with another display, I will check 3 voltage in this LCD connector, LCD VDD and PWM, which is brightness control, and backlight enable voltage. So let me show you. I already opened this board view and this is LCD connector, as you can see here. And first of all I will check this voltage plus LED VDD, you can see here. Then I will check this one. This is a backlight enable voltage. And then I will check this one, PCH EDP PWM. This is a brightness control. So first of all I will check this voltage. This voltage is present or not on this motherboard. So let me show you my microscope camera. So I hope you can see this is the stick connector. Okay, so we will check pin number 1, 2, 3. This is a common, 1, 2, 3 is common. So let's plug in. We don't need to power on at this time. There is a 40 and you can see here. So I set my multimeter in DC mode. So 1, 2, 3. As you can see, this 3 line is common. So let's check. Okay, maybe we got it. There is no voltage. There is no LCD VDD voltage. It should be 9 or 10 volt, but it's not present. So let's check this voltage comes either from where. Let's flip this and you can see this is a fuse. So we need to find out this fuse and we need to check this fuse. So I flip this board. And as you can see here at 1, this fuse.
So blood has
To check this fuse, so I set my multimeter in beep mode. Okay, So as you can see, there is no bit or not showing any value. That means this fuse is totally fully open. So before replace this fuse, I will check impedance. If there is any short circuit or not. No, this is the ground. This side and this side is clear. Now I will connect LCD. And now I will check again. No, there is no short circuit. After connect this LCD connector, it's clear, no short circuit. So now I will replace this fuse from my donor board. F1. Okay. So this is my donor board. This is a little fuse here. You can see this. So it's nicely melted. Let's check this fuse. And as you can see, it's sleeping. So now it's time to check. Again, turn on, and we have backlight. As you can see, so we successfully fixed this laptop. Just only we change a little fuse and it's now okay. So everyone, thanks for watching this video.